Application of Bernoulli's equation. This is a common gas stove with a LPG cylinder. Butane gas is there. Now, demonstration of Bernoulli equation. Application of Bernoulli equation. We know that moving fluid creates low pressure. Just see this one. This one is the nozzle. A needle-like hole is there, and the gas from this pipe comes to the nozzle, and an iron pipe is wrapped with two big holes, and the gas is coming out. Okay, butane gas with two holes, but gas does not leak because of moving fluid creates low pressure. So gas is rapidly come out here inside the pipe. So inside the pipe pressure becomes low. So air will come inside the pipe, and the mixture of gas and air goes to burner. So the flame is bluish one. Again. But if we fill these two, the flame is blackish one, because of air is not sufficient inside the flow. These two holes, these two, here and here, is very important. Now you.
The gas will flow from here, and there is a needle-like hole inside these two holes. The gas will flow very fast, so fast-moving fluids will create low pressure, and with the low pressure, the air will also go with the gas, and the flame will be blue. And if the holes are covered, the flame will be blackish one.
Because of what? No air inside.
Because no air is going with the gas.
So it cannot get sufficient air for combustion.
Yes.
Okay. Now we are filling the holes using a tap. I am trying my best. And we will see what happen. Okay, now we are, give me lighter. This one? Gas is not sufficiently. Okay. See the flame. It is yellowish because of there is no air in the mixture. Only butane gas is there because we have filled the holes. This one. Now I am removing the hole. Observe the flame. Okay. Now just cut it. Now we are removing the holes. Now holes are clear. Now butane gas is coming from this nozzle with high speed. But moving gas creates low pressure. So now air suck into it. And the mixture of air and sufficient air and butane gas is come out. Now see the flame. You can see the difference. See now the flame is blue. Focus it. Slowly. And initially it is yellowish one when we have filled the two holes. This is the demonstration of Bernoulli equation inside our kitchen also. Okay.